Greetings and welcome, internet friends. Going over the homework, solving systems of equations, word problem edition. I'm going to do these out, at least do the setup, defining the variables, writing the equations for you. And so here we go. Question 17. It's about pizza. 3 orders are placed at a pizza shop. They cost different amounts. How much does each item cost? And so often the case, the variables are the question being asked. And so they're asking about cost. It's going to be measured in dollars because that's what I'm seeing here. And they're talking about items, not orders. And so let's see what we get. So I'll say X is the price for small pizzas. Looks like soda is another thing and salad is a third thing. So I'm going to say X equals cost for pizza. And it looks like in all of these orders, they were small pizzas. Y equals cost of soda. So that's also measured in dollars Americano. And Z is the cost of salad. Salad. Boom. And so now that I've got my variables defined, I can write my equations in terms of those variables. And so here's one. It says, right, 2 small pizzas, a liter of soda, and salad cost $14. So 2 pizzas times the cost of a pizza plus a single soda, liter, right. Yeah, and all those are liters, okay. So 1 liter of soda plus 1 salad is $14. All right, so there's my first fact. Here's the other one. 1 small pizza plus a liter of soda plus 3 salads is $15. And then the last fact, 3, let's see, scrolling down here. 3 small pizzas, nope, X, plus a liter of soda and 2 salads is equal to $22. And so now that I have my equations defined, I can solve them. And looking at this, oh yeah, I always use sky blue. It's not one of my hotkey buttons. Substitution for this, or this. All of those are convenient for substitution. Although I also happen to notice that elimination method's not bad. Least common multiple between 2, 1, and 3. But look at this one. Oh, man, you could get opposite y's so easily right here. That'd be pretty good. Tell you what, I'll do some elimination method. So in order to do elimination method, here's my A, B, and C. I'm going to just opposite this equation because it's got the smallest numbers in most all the cases. So I'm going to do negative 1A. And that would give me, what, a negative 2x, a negative y, a negative z equals a negative 14. And then I could combine that with b and c. So negative 1a plus b, negative 1a plus c. And by eliminating the same variable twice, it will turn it into a system of 2 equations and 2 unknowns. So let's see. So let's do my negative 1a combined with b. So 1x and negative 2x is negative x. 1y and negative y cancel out. 3z and negative z are 2z. And 15 and negative 14 is 1. Let's do this one and this one now. 3x and negative 2x is x. 1y and negative y is just nothing. 2z and minus z is a single z. And 22 and negative 14, 6 and 2 is 8. Boom. And so notice these equations are oh so dandy. I typically call these equations? Yep. My new system, D and E. And so looks like elimination of the x's is super easy. Let's just eliminate those. Let's add those together. D plus E. And so x and negative x cancel out. 2z and 1z combine to be 3z equals 1 plus 8 is 9. Solvey. And I get z equals 3. And that's what, the price for a salad, I believe? Yeah. And now this looks like an easy place to solve for x. And so I'd have x plus z equals 8. And so z was equal to 3. Subtract 3 both sides. And I get x equals 5. And then to solve for, looks like I'm missing a y, I could plug in x and y for either of these. I think this top one is easiest. And so I'm going to plug in for z, which was 3. I'm going to plug in 5 for x. Yep. And I'll have 2 times x plus y plus z equals 14. Z was equal to 3. X was equal to 5. 2 times 5 is 10. Plus y plus 3 equals 14. Combine like terms. Y plus 13. Oh, no, you didn't. Yeah, it looks like a liter of soda is going to cost $1. Boom. And so now that I've got my answer, yeah, you could write that as an ordered triple, right? 5, 1, 3. But more importantly, it needs to be interpreted in terms of the problem. And a word problem has a word answer. How much does each item cost? You're not just going to say 5, 1, 3. You're going to actually write the answer part, right? And so a small pizza is $5. Soda is $1. And a salad is $3. Boom. Got him. All right, nice. And so we've solved a word problem. Let's take a visit to some of these other ones. And this one will probably just do the setup. But first thing, define our variables. And so Sam's Furniture, here's the question, what is the price of each piece of furniture? And so it looks like there's different combinations in the image here and different total prices depending on which ones you buy. So X, they're talking about price, not number of. So it's going to be the price or cost, if you want to say it that way, of a sofa. Looks like is the first piece of furniture that shows up, and these are measured in dollars, so I'm going to use dollars. Y will be the price of a love seat. And then the last one are chairs. Boom. And so Z equals price of chairs. I'm using ditto marks there. Why did I write chains? Chairs. Boom. Okay, and so now let's write our equations. And there's not really any facts here, but there are facts right here. So a sofa and a love seat cost $1,300. So a single sofa times the price of the sofa plus a single love seat times the price of a love seat equals $1,300. Then I have a single sofa times the price of a sofa plus 2 chairs, so 2 times the price of a single chair, that's a Z, equals $1,400. And then the last one of each, so 1 X, 1 Y, and 1 Z equals $1,600. And so there's my equation set up. Substitution would be a great choice. I mean, look at that. All sorts of single, right, coefficient variables. Elimination is fine too. Let's see. This one's already missing a y, so you could just work on combining these two and eliminate the y, right? And one of them, you just need to opposite one of those. Be careful if you are doing elimination and the fact that I didn't write the y here, that you don't end up combining y's and z's. But I'll let you guys take it away. Let's look at this last problem. Let's figure out our variables. Contractor hired to build an apartment complex, 840 square foot unit, has a bedroom, kitchen, bathroom. Bedroom will be the same size as the kitchen, 980 feet of tile. cover 2 kitchens and 2 bathrooms. Determine how many square feet of carpet is needed for each bedroom. Wow. Okay. Now, this might be one of those problems where the question doesn't give me my variables. Now, I've got a whole bunch of square footage. Let's see. It looks like they're building 2 units. Now, they're asking, the question they do ask, how many square feet of carpet is needed for each bedroom, I think is a great variable. But I think what they're asking is for one of the variables instead of all 3. And so I'm going to say x equals square feet, or yeah, number of square feet of bedroom. And my unit's in square feet there. And so what wasn't asked in the question, but we're going to also need to know, is the number of square feet of a bathroom. And I think I have 3. I'm leaving it. And z will be the number of square feet of a kitchen. Okay? And so I've got, yeah, so the bedroom is my x, the bathroom is my y, and the kitchen is my z. Now, let's look at our equations here. They told me each unit has this, and each unit has one of each. And so I'm going to say that the x plus y plus z is going to equal 840. Okay, all right. I then also know that the bedroom will be the same size as the kitchen. So bedroom, even though they're different shapes, they can be the same size. So I'm going to say x equals z describes that. And then it says the owner orders 980 square feet of tile to completely cover 2 kitchens and 2 bathrooms. So that would be 2 y's plus 2 z's. That total square feet is 980. And by the way, if you are ever doing construction, don't ever buy the exact amount of square feet of the material you are going to use, because you're always going to have scrap, because as you cut pieces, there will be some unusable amount that can't be put effectively into the rest of the room. And so, yeah, always over order. I think they usually say like 10 or 15%, but I might be making that up. But anyways, here's my 3 equations. I think I would recommend substitution here. Notice I could dub subs for, or I could sub here, and then take it away. But I'm going to let you guys do that. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a great day.